Hey there, my name is Julian, and in this super quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Claude code hyper aware of Memberstack, which means you are going to be able to very easily get auth and payments set up and working without AI hallucinating. So what I have here open on the left side is the Memberstack-AI documentation GitHub, and on the right side, I have VSCode open with a terminal open in a blank folder. There's nothing else. Now, yours doesn't need to be a blank folder. If you've already started a project, that's totally fine. Just open the root folder and start a terminal. So here we have this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this first command into it, which is npx memberstack AI docs AI Claude. That one right there. Go ahead, copy it, paste it into your terminal, and hit enter. We're going to give this a second to load, and as we can see, everything looks good. So now let's go ahead and test it to make sure it works. So let's go ahead and run Claude, just like that. And now I'm going to ask it a question about Memberstack. Let's start with how do we log in a member? So how do we log in a member? Now I'm not even going to say with Memberstack, because we installed this, it is going to know that we should be using Memberstack. So I'm going to go ahead and let it do its thing. And then it should come back to us with this. So if we look right over here, based on the Memberstack documentation, there are several ways. That's true. Email password login. This is the correct method. Passwordless login. This is the correct method. Social login. Everything is correct. So that means that this, combined with whatever stack you have, it is going to be able to figure out how to make Memberstack work. So your auth problems can say goodbye and you can vibe code your project in peace. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.